Hi everyone, it's Adam. It's time for some numbers. Hey, we're gonna do some number work and count from 1 to 20. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Ta-da! You've done it! Da-da-da-da! Hey! Pepe, how are you? What are you doing? Oh, we're just doing some numbers. Can you make it more interesting? More interesting? Let's do it. Can you do it in Spanish? You know what? I think I can. Okay, let's do it. So we've done it in English, 1 through 20. Now we're going to do it in Spanish, 1 through 20. Okay, let me hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1 through 20 with numbers. Okay, it was okay. I think it is. It's a fun way. You can do your numbers any way you want to. You can do them in English, you can do them in Spanish, or even another language. Guess what? To learn another language, all it takes is practice and memorization and then using it. It's really cool. Okay, goodbye, everybody. I will say goodbye to everybody. Thanks for being here. Bye.